Are you a nurse looking to start your own professional corporation? In today's video, I am going to talk to you about how to form a professional nursing corporation in 5 steps. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm the managing attorney here at MAHINAY Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without having to deal with the complicated legal forms. Our service is backed by over 2,700 plus 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you too. The purpose of these videos are to provide you with as much information as possible in the beginning stages of your business. So if you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, before I start talking about the 5 steps to registering a professional nursing corporation, I do want to provide you with a little bit more context as to why you would need to form a professional corporation in the first place. Why couldn't you just form an LLC or a normal corporation, a general corporation? This is the reason. California passed what's known as the MOSCONE-KNOX Act, which requires professionals such as nurses to form a professional corporation. This act created a mandate for professionals such as nurses to form what the legal world knows as a professional corporation. And so with that context aside, let's go ahead and talk about the 5 steps to properly forming and registering a professional nursing corporation. The first step to forming a nursing corporation is to file the Articles of Incorporation with the Secretary of State. Forming a professional corporation requires a specific legal form to be filed with the Secretary of State. If you want to learn a little bit more about that form, I do recommend that you speak with a professional. Once you choose your company name, once you obtain your business address, determine the amount of shares your corporation will have. You will then submit the form to the Secretary of State. Once they receive the application, they take approximately 4 to 6 weeks to then provide you with your company documents. Once you receive your company documents, the next step will be to apply for the EIN number. The employer identification number is also known as the business tax ID number. The business tax ID number is important to keep track of any expenses connected and tied with your business, as well as the EIN number is important because you need the EIN number in order to open a business bank account for your professional nursing corporation. This brings me to the 3rd step. You're going to want to draft what's known as nursing bylaws. Bylaws are specific to each corporation. The bylaws will reflect your ownership and your various roles in the company. The bylaws will reflect your role as owner as well as your other various roles in the professional corporation, which include president, vice president, secretary, as well as treasurer. You got the bylaws out of the way, you're almost there. The 4th step is to open a business bank account. How else are you going to get paid? Various bank branches offer the option of opening a business bank account for your professional corporation. So you're going to want to reach out to those various bank branches to determine the best option for you. And finally, the 5th and last step, you're going to want to look into applying for a business license for your professional nursing corporation. You can look into applying for a business license by contacting the county where you plan to administer your nursing services. Because professional corporations is a legal matter, I recommend that you speak with a professional before setting up anything or before doing it. Because professional corporations are a legal matter, I highly recommend that you speak with a professional prior to registering or applying for any type of professional corporation. Now, if you happen to have a question about anything that I talked about in today's video, go ahead and click the link in the description box below where you can go ahead and book a free call with a business expert who can provide you more guidance and clarity. And again, if you haven't, Make sure you don't miss out on any future videos. Hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. If you would like to continue learning more about LLCs, businesses, online businesses, go ahead and watch one of these videos.